Look at these gorgeous, gorgeous colors in up north Michigan. Oh my gosh, it is just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh. It's just gorgeous here. Gorgeous, gorgeous. The sun's hitting all the colors. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Look at that. Oh my god. Look at these colors. Absolutely breathtaking. Look at the water over there misting. Oh my gosh. Just beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Beautiful. Too bad this only lasts a few weeks because it is just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I love Michigan. Look at that. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at these colors. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous color.